Alright, today's episode, whoever falls to the ground first is dropped with a 50 BMG Glock. As you see, this is a 50 BMG. Big ass bullet. It's bigger than the fucking gun itself. Now, whoever I see get dropped, if he got dropped, he got dropped. But hey, we gonna see. We'll see. You got 3 seconds to get up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Why you walk up on me like that? Don't walk up on me like that, boy. This thing, a switch on that man. They got kickback on it. They got kickback on it. Leave me alone. They got kickback on it. Leave me alone. Let them niggas 1v1. Oh, he dropped his ass. Well, what y'all waiting on? Y'all got a squabble too. Y'all got a squabble to the death. Hold on.